video of filming my morning and night routine, which is going up next week. But I totally forgot that in my 2-week update, I didn't show you guys my hair. So I'm about to show you guys my hair up close and personal. So this video is gonna be really quick, but I just wanted to put this out so that I'm not missing anything for my channel as it goes along. And I need to remember to actually show you guys my hair when I do my updates. So I've already done 2 washes. I think I probably said that in my 2-week video already. My nape is interlocked. My nape is freshly interlocked, I should say. I interlocked it, I want to say a couple days ago, because it was slipping really bad. So I'll show you that again. Some loose hairs in the back that need to be interlocked onto a lock. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's on my middle part too. make sure to trim my hair. Make sure it's as even as possible before I started my locks. So that's a look at my hair 2 weeks in. Forgot to put that in, and sorry about that, guys. But from now on, I will hopefully incorporate my what my locks are looking like at the end of my monthly updates. And as you can see, I have like, so it's mostly a twist, and it goes into a braid, and then I twist it at the ends again because I just couldn't twist the bottoms because they're so like, look, a few strands of hair per leg per you know, 3 strands for the braids. So a lot of them are braided like that, so it looks kind of funny, but never mind. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.